Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So এই ভিডিওতে আমরা আবার আমাদের ডিসকাশন কন্টিনিউ করব with questions pertaining to the West Bengal Civil Service examination, and the topic that we'll be focusing on primarily is the general studies paper. So এই সব কোয়েশ্চেন যেগুলো আমরা ডিসকাস করছি, again these are all previous year questions যেগুলো previous year down the line জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়েছিল for this paper. So আমি যেটা সাজেস্ট করবো আপনাদেরকে কোয়েশ্চেন গুলোকে কাইন্ডলি প্লিজ কিপ এ নোট. সো either way, whichever way is actually convenient for you. যেটাতে যদি ফিউচারে আপনারা যদি পার্টিকুলার টপিক নিয়ে যদি আপনারা ডিসকাশন করবেন, or if you go for your revision or study in general, this will come in very much handy for you. Okay, so এটার সাথে let us just continue our discussion. আমরা 120 থেকে শুরু করব and then we'll head on straight up to 124 in this particular video. So let's take a look. Let's start off with 120. What kind of convertibility of currency is permitted in India? So basically India the currency conversion আছে, এটা কোনটা permittable আছে বা কোনটা accepted আছে. So option 1 capital account, option 2 current account, option 3 both 1 and 2, that is capital and current account, and option 4 partial in both capital and current account. Okay, so আমাদের right answer হবে এখানে current account. So as of now current account convertibility is allowed in India. Partial capital account convertibility is also allowed. Capital account convertibility is a feature of the nation's financial regime that centers on the ability to conduct transaction of local finances assets into foreign financial assets freely or at country determined exchange rates. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to show you 121. Who imposed corporation tax in India? So corporation tax India te kara impose korechilo? 1 state government, option 2 central government, option 3 both state and central government, and option 4 local government. So ekhane amader right answer hobe central government, option 2. Corporation tax is in India is levied by central government. Corporation tax is levied on income earned by companies whether domestic or foreign. The Income Tax Act 1961 is liable for changing corporate tax in India. Worldwide, income of the company registered in the country is taxed under this, whereas in the case of foreign companies, only the income received or occurred in India is taxed under corporate taxation. Okay, so that's all about corporate taxes. Now we'll move on to question number 122. What kind of unemployment is found in the agricultural sector of India? So basically জিজ্ঞেস করা হচ্ছে agriculture sector এর কোন ধরনের unemployment আমরা দেখি. 1 option 1 situational unemployment, option 2 voluntary unemployment, option 3 frictional unemployment, and option 4 disguised unemployment. এখানে আমাদের right answer হচ্ছে কি option 4, that is disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment is found in Indian agriculture. The Indian agriculture is heavily pressurized in terms of employment. It employs more than half of the population of the country while accounts for a merge 16% of the GDP. Okay, so percent of GDP. Thus overburdening Indian agriculture represent disguised unemployment. Okay, so next আমরা চলে যাব question number 123 তে. Which of the following tax is imposed by the central government but collected and kept by state government? So এর মধ্যে কোন ট্যাক্স আছে যেটাকে অ্যাকচুয়ালি এমপ্লয় তো সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট করে, বাট কালেক্ট আর মানে রাখে হচ্ছে কি স্টেট গভর্নমেন্ট. সো অপশনস হচ্ছে কি excise duty, custom duty, stamp duty, আর wealth tax. আমাদের রাইট আনসার হচ্ছে কি stamp duty. Stamp duty although impose central government করে, but এটাকে collect আর store basically state governments করে. So এখন last question এ চলে যাচ্ছি, that is 124. The data of estimation of India's national income is issued by. So Indian national income এর data কারা issue করে? So option 1 planning commission, option 2 national data center, option 3 central statistical organization, or option 4 none of the above. So এখানে right answer হবে আমাদের option 3, data of Indian national income and estimation data central statistical organization issue করা. Okay, so with that said, we've come to the end of the video, and hopefully আপনারা এই সব questions গুলো নোট নিয়ে নিয়েছেন with the correct answer. So please do that. So having now said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. আমরা এরকমই কোয়েশ্চেন যে আগেও ডিসকাশন করতে থাকবো অফ দ্য সাবসিকুয়েন্ট ভিডিওস। আনটিল দেন আই এম সাইনিং আউট, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।